Hi, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst and the host of the Grok Star Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. More on the mentoring at the end of this video. I'd like to talk about some trades that we had on SCHL, Scholastic Corporation, this morning in the Grok Star room. At opening, it jumped 11%, and this was it just after opening, and then it broke the high base and continued to climb and had just a slight pullback there, so I was going to go long. See what happened next. Boom, I got ticked in right here at 39.72. I'm now long, but then immediately my indicators, as soon as I went long, started to turn down. And I decided that I was going to go short. The market was not going up. It was drifting downward. So I set up a reverse. And there I got ticked into my reverse order at 39.82. I'm now short at 39.82. I did make 0.2% on that long, but now I'm short. Went along for a while sideways and then just started to drift downward. And important, it just got below this 8 EMA. And we had the $39 even dollar amount possible support. And it kind of ran along that line. So I set up to take out half, and then the next one I did, I took out half right here at $38.85. That was for 2.3%. I'm still short half. Oh boy, look at that drop. And now we have, this is the 50 EMA. See if it's going to have an effect. Nope, sliced right through that. Still that 8 EMA, exponential moving average, is still acting as very strong resistance on top. Boom, now it's down below. This is the $38 level. Didn't even hesitate, it kept on going. On this spike here, there was very high volume, we call it capitulation. So as soon as it started to go back up, I pulled my stop down and I got out my second half right here at 37.62 for 5.5% on the second half. So that total trade was for 3.9%. From here to here as I scaled out. It didn't bounce very much. It did go above the 8 EMA, but then again the indicators began to turn down. The volume started to increase. I actually set an order right at 37.50 and it got me in right at 37.50. I'm now short $37.50. And look at her go. Let's move this up. See, now we're right at $37. It's hesitating. Taking a little heat there, and then boom, there she goes down below 37. Still going. That 8 EMA now has returned to be solid resistance on the top. Ah, there it popped up above it. And then back down. Just kind of going sideways. The market was going up strongly, so I pull my stop down here to just above this level to keep some of my profits intact. In fact, I think I'm going to take half here coming up. Look at that. It made a big drop down. I took half out here at 1621 is where I took my half for 3.4%. Then continued on down, but now we have this big red, as we call it. That's the 200 period moving average, and this is a 1 minute chart that we're looking at. But look at that, it sliced right below it, and now below it I'm all happy, but then look, it bounced right off of that 35.50 and back above. Pulled my stop down and I got out right here at 85.88 for 4.3% on the second half of that second short trade. So the total for that second trade was 3.85%. And in these three trades that we had, we had a total of 7.95% for the 1 long and the 2 short trades over 2 hours. But this was just 2 of 13 trades that we called in the Grokstar trading room this morning for a 12.05% gain on all of our trades net. So you feel free to join us in the Grokstar room if you like. 30-day free trial. Just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com and you can sign up for your free trial on the chat room page. And also this weekend we do have a 3-day mentoring immersion going on, and we still have a couple of seats left open. If you'd like more information about how to trade like a Grokstar, whether that's day trading, position trading, or swing trading, just contact mentor@groktrade.com. Just remember, it's easier to be consistent and disciplined with a simple trading system rather than a complex one.